Greetings my friends and welcome to another video. My name is Antrade and once again I'm bringing you high quality content for binary options. You can find everything that you need on my channel, but especially this is going to be helpful for beginners traders who are just getting into trading, and I want to show you what you can achieve with just a couple of months of trading and in a couple of months of being in my free trading group, which is available for everybody. The link is in the description below. You can join right now completely for free and you will immediately get access to daily trading sessions, daily tutorials, trade breakdowns, extremely helpful tips, and much more, all completely for free. So if you want to start generating profit, if you want to learn how the best traders in the world trade and how they make money, then make sure to join and become a member today. Once again, I appreciate for everybody who's already a member, and today I'm going to show you how I do scalping on 1 minute time frame, how I trade on 1 minute, and how I prefer trading. Sometimes I use indicators, sometimes I don't. Today we're not going to delve into indicators. I'm simply going to perform technical analysis, trade off basic knowledge, which is support and resistance levels. We're gonna see maybe some candlestick patterns, maybe some chart patterns, and we're just gonna try to scalp 1 minute time frame, because 1 minute is the hardest time frame to trade on, but also it is the fastest one. And if you grasp it, if you understand it, you're gonna have an easy time, and you can learn everything that you need for that in my trading group. So don't hesitate, join right now. But now let me show you what you can learn, what you can do, and how you can change your life by trading like this. So let's jump straight into it and let me show you what you need to do. All right, so here, look at this. We have a price channel and we are seeing an obvious breakout with a solid candle closing above our level. So I'm dropping 1.5 thousand. It should be pretty good. We might see a red candle appear and go for a retest of a level, and in that case I'm going to drop another 3,000 on the trade to cover up the potential loss of our first trade. And this is extremely important when you're trading in this type of market, or when you're scalping. You always need to be aware of like covering up your loss to make sure that you are not losing money. You need to minimize your losses and maximize your gains, and this is exactly what we're doing here. We're seeing a signal. Our signal is a strong bullish candle closing above our level, and as you can see we have a strong uptrend. Obviously we want to ride this out. We don't see any signs of a reversal happening, so our call here is to place 1.5k on the trade. If I lose one, that is fine. You're not going to win every single trade, but I'm looking to get all three. That is the goal, and there it is. We might lose this. Let's see, is there enough rejection coming in, or do we get all three? Unfortunately we lost the last one. That was unlucky, but that doesn't matter. Here we have a breakout. This is another one. See, you have a price channel, we have a level here in the middle of a price channel, and then we have another level that was broken, so we might wait for a retest here. This is an area actually, so we might raise the level here a little bit and wait for the retest of this red candle. We still can profit on this chart. However, I do want to look at some other charts and see if we have more opportunities here to grab. Let's see that. There it is. Look at that. We already have a level here, so obviously we have multiple retests happening, but this is looking a bit shaky. But I'm gonna place $500 on this trade and then look at how this candle behaves. Let's look how it closes. Obviously there is once again something that is stopping out the price around this area, so let's look. Let's pull this up higher and let's look. So what we see in here, an obvious resistance level. That is what's happening here. So let's see if we're able to secure this $500. And you can see I'm very careful with my trades. I don't get carried away. I don't place a lot of money unless I'm sure, and if I'm gonna see a break in back into the level, I'm gonna place more, and I'm gonna place in a sell position because I'm going to see that there is not enough volume, not enough pressure coming in from buyers to push the price higher, and that is going to be my signal to place. And there it is. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Here is my sell position, and I'm gonna double up on it with $2,000 just like that. and we might be able to get this one still lovely, beautiful. And now we're expecting to see a red candle. So that's all we do. We're simply looking at how the price behaves. We see a strong rejection candle wick appearing here, and that is our signal. Now this is also you have to understand that trading on 1 minute is going to be dangerous. Sometimes you're gonna get situations like this where the price is, jumping up and down. So you have to be aware of what you're doing, and you can learn all of this in my trading group. I can teach you how to trade like this. I can teach you how to read chart. I can teach you how to understand the candles and how to time your entries so you are able to get maximum profit from every single trade that you do. And here we are, closing in 6 seconds, and perfect execution. There it is. We might get a lot of rejection here coming in, but luckily for us, we perfectly entered and we are already at 22.3 thousand. Look at that beautiful execution. We took our buy position, we took profit from buy position, and immediately switched up and took a sell position and got the money from both. Beautiful, right? So there it is. This is what trading like around the level looks like. Let's find another situation where we can profit, and this is quickly. We just went in a couple of minutes on the market and we're making already like $5,000, just as simple as that. So let's go ahead and find something else. Once again, I see a level here, so let's add a horizontal line. Let's get it up, and if you don't see a level immediately, it's probably not there. Just as simple as that. Don't overthink stuff. If you're opening a chart, you don't see the level, it's probably non-existent, and you don't need to overthink whatever you are looking at. Just go to another chart, find a good prominent level, and place your trades off of it. Now this one is, I'm not entirely sure. This looks like a level, however I'm just not seeing. We're gonna see if this is a bearish engulfing candle. This is the bearish engulfing pattern. I'm obviously gonna drop in some money, but this is looking like a pretty weak chart. Not a lot of volatility here, and I don't want to trade where there's almost no movement. I want a little bit of movement. You don't want too much. You want to find that good solid ground where you can get some nice profit without having to stress constantly. Now let's see, we just need one more solid trade. And on OTC market, it's also pretty easy to trade because a lot of the trading assets have good payouts. So let's see. This is actually looking pretty good. So let's place a sell position here. I'm not gonna place a lot here. It seems like the price is getting pushed down, but this is also, when you're talking about levels, you need to understand that level is not always a line. Sometimes this is going to be a box, so don't get too stuck up on this line. Sometimes this is going to look like this, and this is not exactly a thing that you should ignore. This is a thing you should be paying attention to. Look at these candle wicks, look at how they're looking, and this might be your level. This might be your level when you see the rejection candles happening. This might be your area of resistance, and that's what you should be paying attention to. But I'm going to drop another 1,000 to cover up this loss, and we might still able to get it, but the closer to the level you're entering, the higher your chances are that you are gonna get the profit off of it. We just need a little bit of push here, and we might secure the first trade as well. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Yeah, there it is. It hits the level and starts going down. That's unfortunate. It's really unfortunate because we could have made some good profit there, and there it is. This is what we are not happy to see. So let's observe if the candle gets pushed back into the level and if we're able to get some nice profit here. I still believe that we will be able to, because as you can see, this level is pretty strong. It works, it pushes the price down. We just need a bit of just keep it pushing down, keep it pushing, come on, just a little push. Give me the red candle. There it is. This is what I want. Come on, keep pushing it. Like you see, there it is, there it is. We covered up our loss, we got our money. Let's do another one. I just want to do the final one just to be secure and just to show you guys that it is doable. And here is my opportunity. I'm starting to see some rejection off of this level. The price, as you can see, broke out. This was a fake breakout. We had a small retest here. The price once again went back into the level, and now we're hitting another level here. So let's place our trade. I'm gonna place 6,000 on this trade, as I'm expecting a rejection to hit into a green candle. So that is it. That is pretty much it. this is what it's all about. This is about precision. This is about seeing and timing the market, and also covering up your initial entries, because you don't want to just place one trade and be like, okay, that's good, I'm all right. You should actually be seeing how the market behaves. When you're scalping on 1 minute, you should be reacting to changes in the market fast. You cannot be just complacent and just sit there and wait for everything to play out in your favor. You have to react fast, and you have to read what's going on right in front of you. And this is exactly what we did here, and this will pay out for us right here. We might lose the initial ones as the price pretty close here, but these ones are pretty safe, and this is gonna give us a lot of profit right now. So let's wait for this to play out. And beautiful, right there, exactly as we predicted, strong rejection of the level, and we get all the profit, and that puts us at 25,000. So there it is, guys. This is over $7,000 of profit in less than 15 minutes. This is how you do it. This is how you can do it today. If you join my private trading group and my free signals group, which you can, by the way, join by sending me a message on Telegram at @trade_pro or clicking the links in the description below. We trade every single day from Monday to Sunday. We have OTC trading sessions on weekends. We have trading robots for all type of markets. We have a trading robot, a brand new AI trading robot that hits 5 different markets, able to analyze 8 time frames and provide you with technical analysis breakdown for every single trade that you are choosing. You have full control on that robot. You can trade on OTC, crypto OTC, stocks OTC, commodities OTC, and real markets. So you really have all of these opportunities, and this will make your life much easier. If you don't understand how to trade yet, you will need some help, and that help will come in a form of an automated robot that will make your life easier. You know, AI is the future, and you want to be a part of that future already today. So if you want to trade with this robot, send me a message, get in and start profiting. And while you're doing that, while you're trading with the robot and getting your confidence up, education up, you can learn all the things that you need in my trading group. So that is what this system is. We're trying to provide you with all the things that you need at the same time, but also make sure that you are not losing but gaining profit, you know, because learning trading sometimes can be a very painful experience, because you are mostly learning through losing. But with us, we are changing that. We're changing things up. We're making sure that people that are trading with us profiting before anything else. So if that's something that you want to be a part of, then make sure to send me a message. I appreciate you for watching. Once again, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and check out all of the links in the description below. I appreciate you for watching, guys, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.